So let's get started in making coconut chutney. We've got some chana dal in a pan. We've got some oil at the bottom, which we're going to use to saute the chana dal. It's really you using two of your main senses. First is going to be your sight. Of course, as you are continuing to roast and saute it, you're going to start to see that color change into a golden brown. But second thing, which you are going to see, is you're going to actually start to smell it. The fragrance of the dal is going, or the dal or the lentil is going to start to come. So you're going to be able to smell it and obviously see it turn golden brown. And this is the only cooking process, so you really do want to be patient and do it on medium heat. Now we're going to add coriander and green chilies. Of course, green chilies, you can add as many or as little as you like, depending on your palate and how much heat you can tolerate. We're using frozen. It does a perfect job, even if you want to use that instead of using fresh. And now we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of tamarind paste. If you do have fresh tamarind juice, you can add that as well. But here we're adding the concentrated tamarind. Now I'm going to add a grated coconut. This is already salted, so I just put a bit of salt on the side. So, that's where the salt's coming from, which is why you're not seeing me put it in. Next thing, we're just going to blend all of this. You can add water as you're going along to help the blending process. And now we're going on to the tempering, which is, I would say, one of the most important parts of this. So we've got some mustard seeds and oil, and really high heat oil, and then adding the red dried chilies and curry leaves. The red dried chilies are going to give it a really beautiful, color and a contrast to the green chutney and the green and the light green chutney, really, given the coconut and the dal in there. But the color combination is beautiful, and obviously it does add another depth of flavor to the coconut chutney. So we're going to just mix it well here on, a bit of heat, and then we're going to add it right on top of our coconut chutney. So here you have it, and you can see I've added a little bit of water as well. It really is depending on the consistency you need, so don't be afraid, to add a little bit of water if you find it's a bit thick. And, I hope you enjoy this really easy and very effective recipe with a nice dosa, as you can see, as I'm showing you in the picture here. So hope you like this recipe, and if you do have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment, and I will get back to you.